are you there? Alkaline. Him Cadillac no big like Alkaline one. No, so if you don't start past them two you there, oh you want to reach Addy?
No, you can't reach us, man. You have to respect. You have to that. Remember the word daddy I deal with now.
Well, why you?
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Man, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know I think set, man. You see it. Yeah, you don't know. Masicka say him a the goat and thing. You see me? Yeah, man, you know my intake on the thing, you know. You know my real. You see it? Yeah, man, so Masicka say him a the goat. You understand? But when you see the picture, them of that goat there. You understand? That goat there don't look like the real goat we know, you know. That look like a she goat. You understand? Cause that goat there, you see me? If you look on the goat, you see what I go on. Titty business, you understand? Some don't know which goat him a go off or whatsoever, but never clip for player people. You see it? Me have a clip for no listen what I go on. Cause that brother yeah, me see how him stay. Yeah man, me see how him stay and bro, if I saw you move, nobody feel like I get. Cause right now, you know, bro, you get knocked, you know. Right now, Gaza fan them done with you now, you know, bro. You understand? You better not bother drop no album. Well, if you want to drop your on flap and thing, you know what thing said. But the brother here just copy everything with Alkaline. Just listen how the man attack. It's like the man just try to bring himself in an Alkaline style and I use a blueprint and everything. You understand? But listen what I say, people.
Your studio every time. We just naturally love isolation, you know what I mean? So I like to be by myself and mid, so naturally I like a more, you know, secluded vibe. So all your studio. I love stage.
Yo, the brother, man, fake a freak. This a man where always they run him dog, them show up on the media. This a man come link him. All of them something there. Morning time, get up, they on live, all of them look something there. Brother, when since you start about isolate and anti-social thing, bro? You understand? The Alkaline, me know do them thing there. You try to do everything. You understand? Drain from everybody energy, brother. This is what I try to say. But people, listen to what I say, because you can't take that brother serious at all. Because all him do when him attack, I just one bag of laughing.
Just see him about studio. Yeah, man.
So they might ask him, clash or collab. But hear what the man I go say, brother.
Clash. I love collab, but no, not even a problem. Yo, give me opportunity to exercise my lyrical skill, you know what I mean? Right. But I love collab also. You know,
brother, you don't love no clash, brother. You love collab. Collab you love, but hear this man about lyrical skills. Bro, you not clash nobody. You not clash nobody, brother. When last you clash? A collab you love, bro. The whole of your song them, if you check your Spotify, majority of your song them will give you the views or you collab them what you do, brother. You love collab, you not love clash. From the get-go, you that try if you do a little clashing because you never boss it. But now when you boss, you don't want to clash, brother. So I be like you tell you so. If you did love clash, you would have a seat in a dancehall right now. And that's why the people them not respect you. You understand? But me understand if you no clash, I just it go keep you relevant. You see me? Yeah, you see me? Because if you clash, your momentum are gone. But if you don't clash, no people are gonna say, yo, he might run, he might try, this, that. But if you do what you do for try to get a lyric, go and do it. You understand?
That's the thing already. Definitely a timeless classic. You know, I don't really do seasonal songs, you know, so you're not going to hear me say this is a summer vibe or this is a winter vibe or with the music, you know what I mean, and probably going to the studio. Yeah, timeless classic lyric, you know what I mean? Yeah. No, I never.
You know, when I talk about timeless classic, you know, I be a little hot song you have, brother. You're not going away, bro. You understand? Right now, your drop song must in here and go or whatsoever, bro. That now go on nothing for your brother. Just be able to buy views are going with the song. You understand? Be able to buy views. You see it? But we see what I go and say about people. I have some clip for play people. I'm run out right now. You understand? Yeah man, so I really want to see the video. You see it?
Hear that?
I want to see the video them where I go on. You see me? But I realize people. When I realize say yo, every time Masicka try if you say something for try size up with Vybz Cartel, them use Alkaline. Them use Alkaline for size if you try belittle him thing like, yo, him can't even surpass Alkaline, rare, this, that. You understand? I say, yo, Alkaline no apps. Remember no rate Alkaline, you know? So how we not beat Masicka no use Alkaline? Why not use Cartel? How I go on? You see, that's why in a dancehall people, no matter how them not to rate Alkaline, you know, them have to respect him, cause why? Alkaline afraid of nobody in a dancehall. That's why them respect him. And he make him talk and all of them something. But you Masicka now, coward now. You understand? And him nah try for this, nobody. That's why I'm found out and I say, yo, big up Vybz Cartel, way. Weak. You understand? Wet bread. So that's why the people them not respect him. Cause so many people that diss him and him not say nothing. But him not really want answer because him want be basically him say, yo, him a pretty bigger picture and whatsoever. But me not see nothing now go on for the international market fee, man. Him signed to an international label, so. But you guys, I want them to run out and I say be things about the new goat, you know, so-called new goat, kiddie she goat, you understand? Yeah. But listen what that brother here say.
Even my you there, Alkaline. Him Cadillac no big like Alkaline one.
Vybz Cartel, rich, Chad and Andrew Wellness, legally, popular entertainer, dancehall king. Vybz Cartel, rich, Chad and Andrew Wellness, legally. Vybz Cartel, richer than Andrew Wellness. Vybz Cartel, richer than, what did the Tiffin man body boss them? Daryl Vals. I have another one named, what for them at Tivoli girl, the long giant upon them neck long. When you again, man? In my Peter, I tried to fight over one girl already.
Yo, man, tell about them Gaza, man, you know. Cartel, come get your fan, them. And lick some sense in their head. You understand? Because I don't know how this rich thing come up and I don't know how come this compares with the Prime Minister and Vybz Cartel. I don't know this richness, bro. You don't understand certain things, you know. I kind of realize, you know. I don't know how richness come from me, I say, you understand? But me not make him go and talk.
One girl of Alman Tony and Pearline. Yeah, the two of them that fight, the two of them do, the two of them in a one barefoot brief. Where did I get, man? Desmond Mackenzie. Put Andrew Wally, Desmond Mackenzie and Darrell Vals together. Vybz Cartel richer than them, legally. Not about a man, we get $1 million, $1 million or $1.5 million a show. Every weekend, that's $1 million deal, not $1 million.
People, yo, man, tell you the right thing. Brother, let me tell you this. Cartel now do show every weekend, bro. So I don't know what you talk about every weekend $1 million. You understand? And first of all, you not understanding, bro, like, you not pre-$1 million. You don't sure if that the man actually are getting all the time, you know, bro. You not sure. You understand? All and just speculate. You not see him contract, you not see nothing. You not see a one-man thing. You understand? But you not really see what go on, brother. You understand? So, you not talk about this $1 million. And every weekend Cartel the show, bro. You see it? And every weekend. We prove or not have. If you say Cartel have more money than them money. And you talk about legally. What me? We say I say money have illegal money. Cause you not prove that every money illegal. You see it. So them money have a lot of assets, all of them look at something there, bro. Businesses and all of them look at something there. You see it. We don't know what kind of business Cartel have. We not pre-money and not pre-huge assets, you know, so we don't really understand what go on. You see, because Cartel not no business, bro. I be a liability man have. Yeah, him sign one embassy that thing, but we business them there. We him have. Or we can say, yo, this generate. Yeah, I do a little show, collect a little millions, but remember say them thing they have to share up, brother. You understand? I remember say him have a lot of things that buy and all of that. Yeah, him have houses and things, yes. But we are talking about real bill. You think say Elon Musk and them man there some joke thing. Man have a lot of asset, brother. You understand? So there's no evidence to show say Cartel richer than them man. You know no evidence to that. Not because Cartel are brandish off where him have and Ray and them man nah too Ray. You see me? Yeah. We have to follow with some evidence, dog.
Millionaire. I remember Andrew Willis I get $25 million a year. Right? Fee pay. Vybz Cartel I get $1.5 million US a night, every weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Yo, man, them lie your fuck. People, Vybz Cartel the show every weekend Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yo, yeah, tell us a dog. Yo, when the money come out and talk, you can't believe not when it comes to cartel. Certain things you just can't believe, bro. The man say every weekend for remember, you know, the man them go like say every weekend cartel at the show, you know. Jaja.
So that will be 120 million Jamaican dollar. 220 million Jamaican dollar. A day, every weekend.
Brother, you're dunce. Me I tell you that, you're dunce, bro. You know no sense, brother.
So rich price cartel and Masicka. You know say anything on the DJ about the price go up. And from what the man does talk about goat. Christmas just right on the corner there, you know. Yeah man, right on the corner there.
Man say anything Masicka and cartel sing about. I don't know about Masicka parts, you know, but if cartel sing about certain things, yeah, the hype and the thing will push up the price. But I don't know about Masicka with that.
Christmas day, and everybody has to go buy a goat. Might know what price gone up and the goat them for $55,000. I go up past the garden with it. If you go buy one, and the man tell me say $85,000 for in goat now, you know, brother. If I know $85,000, I have to go on and leave it. Yeah, man, for the man them got talk about goat.
Yo, people just fall upon the media for say some cloud thing, you know. You understand? That me realize. You see it.
Price gone up, we up again, you know, brother. Yeah, man, I don't know say everything you know DJ about.
So what that the man have in a cup this a shake water? What go on this?
The price go up, goat. Vybz can't tell DJ about goat now, Masicka come back a DJ about goat. You know the price gone up.
Brother, I don't know if no cartel a sing about goat and goat price raise. That not make no sense, brother. That not make no sense, dog. We don't know of that. When I use some little nonsense forward upon the media and say one bag of trash.
Yeah, man. You have to move with me $55,000, brother. You couldn't even get to buy me goat shake and Masicka and Vybz.
But first of all, goat raise every Christmas. Every Christmas goat raise. Some don't know what you're talking about.
One goat. Some artists, boy, better be careful of that goat, something what they talk about, you know. And one bumbuckle goat in a dancehall and alkaline, you know. The greatest of all time, you know. Whoosh!
That is it. Let me tell you, Masicka just a try stay up on the convo, bro. Like, I don't, but this is the thing now. Bro, what you do, don't feel like say you can do what Alka do and just get it with it, brother. You have to remember, say, bro, a cartel give the strength, or the Gaza fan them give the strength, bro. You see, once you try to push up yourself and I use ego or whatsoever, brother, you just go end up flop yourself, bro, because you're not enough fans. A Gaza fan them has to hold your strength, brother. You're not enough fans, so the more you do that, and more. Right now, bro, right now, you do that, brother. People them not gonna make just sang them, bro. Once you Gaza them done with it, hit that, brother. So you are push a fire where you don't tie yourself to this, brother, already, bro. Once you tie yourself to cartel, brother, and you try separate, I eat that fear, dog. I eat that fear, bro, because you only just have to strengthen that them and the thing. You understand? So, I don't know this goat thing forward. Man left from crocodile. You know, say over the years, the man just change him name, people. A be a change him name, you know. The man who change name Genocide. Then him name Masicka. Then you have Genocide. Then you name Gaza Genocide. Then you name One Side. Then you have Crux. And then now, the man gonna goat. Brother, how much time you go change your thing, brother? The man have all goat, chain and all of them something there. Yo, Jano.
Be careful. You know, have a blood clot prove that to Jamaica and prove that to the royal sound great, you know. Me say you have to prove that. A reindeer me know was run up and down in a Portland bush. You know what I'm talking about? Goat? One goat. Careful, man. You have to prove that blood clot. Where's the Rami goat? Masicka. Say him the goat.
Yo, people. Me don't know where him get this goat thing from still, no, because we don't know if Masicka with no goat move. Tell me one thing in a dancehall Masicka do if you say him a goat. Tell me one impactful thing. Cause I can't look a hot song them when drop and a flap out. Tell me what him do.
But buy a chain to represent that. But nobody not take Masicka serious. But goat of what? Maybe it's dancehall. In my mind, though. And that me I try to show you Masicka. When you get the opportunity to take over dancehall and move towards it, you hesitate.
It's not that when you man Alkaline for do a little thing, you know. For people them respect him and him stamp him name and I think and the people him not do it, him play a levels card and all of them look or something there. Me tell you already, you know, a long run short catch your Masicka thing, you know. You understand? Because no matter what him do, the people him just nah go respect him and time I go pass where I just eat them just nah go give him that leverage it. That's why when him say certain things in a dancehall, people him say, brother, where you go sit down? You not even pass Alka. Them always a go give Alkaline the edge over him. You understand? That them a go always do. Them a go always give Alkaline respect. Although them not rate Alkaline, them a always give Alkaline the respect over him because them say Masicka a coward. Him can't defend himself, nothing. You understand? Just a little child. You see it, but I don't know, maybe as him say, him a she-goat, cause if I did Rami, yeah man, if I did Rami no ease, Rami buck off of you. Him a she-goat just dead there and just eat some grass. That's all. You understand?
And that's why people don't put no respect on your name. Because you're talented in the youth. Because you're a youth when I listen to you, see me? I listen to your music, them bad.
That's true, man.
You're very talented. You're always in the convo, as you say. But you see a cowardness, dog.
Always in the convo, but I know all the while, cause I know for too long convo thing I go work, brother. You understand? I know so it work, bro. You see it? Cause you can come on out your things so and people lose more respect. Cause if people them say you're not doing a damage, bro, I just so your thing work. You understand?
That are your biggest downfall, dog. Dancehall is a doggy dog world, no friend thing. You get me? I say it's sad to say, but you have to tap on the next man in order to reach up there.
Yeah, that's the thing, you have to defend your turf. But Masicka is a man, him, that's why him say do a lot of collabs. Him love friend everybody, bow down to everybody. That's just him. You understand? That's why I'm not really reach nowhere because him lazy. Him just love bow, him just love take the easy route. Him love get strength from different artists. I just say things said. You understand?
So you think said, you have to put someone out of your way. You get me? I say, no disrespect, but I just saw it a doggy dog world, dog. I saw me see it. I don't know if I saw you see it.
You say you can't do one bro in a dancehall. Yes. Big up yourself, Vybz Cartel, every time.
Yo, Mr. Masicka post a video say, you might the goat. Guys, what do you think about that?
Masicka she goat, man. She goat that. Real Rami goat. Yeah, the mountain goat not act like how Masicka act. First of all, brother, if you transfer from crocodile to goat, bro, you move too fast.
What if you say Masicka the goat for the new school or Alkaline? Who are the goat?
Even my you there. Alkaline. Him cannot not big like Alkaline one.
Yo, anytime you see that youth, you use Alkaline. brother always at this Alkaline and the man use Alkaline for beat Masicka, dog. You see it? It don't matter if them rating about look at them are gonna respect Alkaline. You see it? Remember you know, Masicka said all the Gaza thing, you know. You see it? But them might use Alkaline for beat him all the time. So if you feel like you can just go on there, man, and go on easy, you see what you see it? Cause right now Gaza fan them respect Alkaline more than Masicka right now. I tell you that. Yeah, man.
You just pass them to you there. Oh, you want to reach Addy?
No, you can't reach somebody. You have to respect. You have to remember the world daddy you deal with now.
Why you?
The world daddy, you know.
Yo, where them man you come with this world daddy thing, brother? The man say Vybz Cartel a world daddy, bro. Bro, wanna love, man? Where this world daddy business fall from? Wanna get this world daddy from, brother? Bro, that not sound right, bro. That sound fishy, brother. This man keep on a say it.
If you not respect and lift your heart to the world daddy.
Yeah, man, I just said it. Big up yourself, Vybz Cartel, every time.
So if you can give respect to the world legend, this man is the world legend now. And you can't take that away.
The man is the youth champion, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, nobody, no, we never get this in our life yet, bro. And at this we can live to see. We live to see. One of we get to youth becomes something and somebody. Come take himself out of the ghetto. Gangster, take himself up and say,
brother, Kevin, I'm be a madness here chatting, brother. What you mean by take out of the ghetto? Bro, look how much artists take themselves out of the ghetto. And gangster and all of them things there, bro. Not going like say a cartel alone, a ghetto youth a fall out of the slum, bro. Bro, look how much youth fall from the ghetto, brother. Brother, I know say I don't love man in the dark, so I understand, but bro, stop fall on the internet and say shit, bro. But man, true man fall out of ghetto and real. Look how much artists fall out of ghetto and make it. And a cartel alone. And this is not use a proper artist, bro. When majority of the artists them come from the ghetto. Yo.
God no!
Back T-boy Kevin, stop trick the people.
We have two show come up where we Drake. Bring him down to Canada. And the show them sell out.
Cartel great.
Yeah, man, people, so One of them thing there, man. You see me? Yeah, Masicka say my goat. Yeah, man. Well, a she goat, cause me not see no real goat, Rami goat I go on with nothing, brother. You see me? Him not do them the moves, you see me? But when I don't know the people, respect, you know. You see me? That is it, you know. Intake, everything, you see me? Big up on yourself, when don't know. One media facts. That is it.